It's been around minus 15 degrees Celsius for the past couple of weeks. I've been using the preheater a lot, and with only short drives, the battery didn't get a chance to recharge. Now I need to charge it just to be sure I can get to work on upcoming week, and here is how I do it. Before turning the charger on, I connect the positive clamp to the battery positive terminal and the negative clamp to a good ground point in the engine bay, in my case, onto the engine. Once I plug the charger into the outlet, the indicator shows the current battery charge. When the indicator drops to 0, the battery is fully charged again. If there's no movement on the indicator, or if it drops back to 0 immediately, charging has stopped.